Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot number of people does not know that there are some apps that listen to their phone calls on their Android phone, and as a result of that, in this video I'm going to simply teach you step-by-step guide on how to simply block apps from listening to your phone calls on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here to open up my phone settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on apps and notifications. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on permission manager. So it's going to take you right here. So what you need to do right here is to simply scroll down on that phone right here. Click on that. There you see apps with this permission can make and manage phone calls. Now what you need to do right here, if you take note of any apps that is suspicious right here, what you need to do is to simply select on the app. Having select on the app, simply click on deny. If you deny this permission, basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Simply click on deny anyway. It's that simple. So you can go on and deny as many as possible apps that is listening to your phone conversation on your Android phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.